I will be replacing the driver's side mirror on the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This is obviously the driver's side mirror, which was snapped off because a frond from the palm tree next to the car fell onto it, snapping the mirror off. It cannot be repaired, it can be replaced. This is from my Hyundai Elantra 2013. I called Hyundai. For the mirror alone, they wanted $290. Then to paint it, they wanted $120. So around $400 to replace the mirror. I actually purchased this mirror brand new from Amazon for $63, and I'm about to replace it. Here I took the cover off the inside of the door to expose the 3 nuts that I will be removing, which will replace or remove the side mirror. Here is the side mirror assembly that I purchased from Amazon for $63. It is a heated mirror along with the signal. So the kit that I got came with its own screws. The screws that came with the old mirror were very wide threads. These are pretty narrow threads. So when you reinstall the new mirror, make sure that you don't super tighten the screws yet until you get all 3 in. Then you can tighten. Okay, so all 3 screws are in and time to test. And there she's working. Very easy for the 2013 Hyundai Elantra.